Hello everyone, this is Kevin, and along with Lay, we will be explaining the importance of data security using Datasploit. So first what we do is log into the Backtrack 5. This is the machine that we'll be using to launch the attack. We will be using root and password as the login, and along with startx, this is the command to start the GUI, the graphical user interface. So if you want to see available commands, you type in the question mark, but to see the IP addresses that we are attacking, we use ifconfig as the command. So we type nmap to see all of the available switches, as you can see, and we type no, I already said that. Okay, we type nmap-sp192.168.100, and this is to see all the other machines that are active. And since we know what the victim machine is now from the nmap, we can perform a system scan off of it. Let's see. So according to the nmap, which will be shown here, according to the nmap operating system scan results, the victim machine is a Windows 2003 box without a service pack, and it will be vulnerable to the following exploit. Since according to the nmap operating system scan results, it is a Windows 2003 box without a service pack, it will and since it will be vulnerable to the following exploit: ms08_067-windows server service remote buffer overflow vulnerability. And this just explains what kind of vulnerability it has and how it can be attacked. So what we did was we searched for the server exploit by typing in search net API. And we are send RH host. Okay, so now we're attacking the machine using the exploit by setting the R host MSF, the MSF exploit, and this sets the payload, and it will also set the local host within the Metasploit. And the MSF exploit will set the target by typing 0, and it will automatically detect the target as was shown below. You can use show options that will verify all the options again, and if you type exploit after the MSF exploit, this will exploit the target. And if the target works, you'll receive an interpreter session 1 opened message. If the exploit does not work on the first try, wait a minute and continue to keep going. Trying to exploit until it's successful, and you will receive an interpreter session 1 opened. So now we begin stealing the data using the FTP and HTTP as shown. We type the interpreter shell, and we open up the files using the directory within the C drive. And from here we can see the FTP service is running. Okay, so we minimize Firefox and we copy the files. Okay, and from here we just verified that the file was located in the correct place, which was the IP address along with the domain list XML. And all we did was leave the command prompt, view the victim system's location, switch to the root of the C drive, view the location of the victim system, and with the ls command that was shown, it shows the command list of the root directory. This downloads the DNS.txt file, and using the download domain readme doc root, this uploads the file as well. So that concludes our presentation. Thank you very much for bearing with us.